Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? Okay students, today I am going to tell you how to write number 10. You all know very well that when we combine 1 and 0, it's make 10. 1, 0, 10. Yes. You all know that how to write number 1 and how to write number 0. So it's very simple to write number 10. What you have to do, you just start from the beginning dot and match with the ending dot like this. You have to touch the topper line and bottom line. Similarly, you know that how to write number 0. Start from the beginning dot like this, then go down in a round and go up and match again with the beginning dot. So it will become number 10. So you have to practice more and more at your home to write number 10. Okay, after that, what you have to do? You have to write 0 to 10 daily at your home, at least twice a day. Okay, let's start review of 0 to 10. How you will write number 0? Start from the beginning dot. Then go down in a round, then go up and match again with the beginning dot in full block. Every number you have to write in full block. Okay, what will come after 0? Yes, number 1. And it's so simple to write number 1. Start from the beginning dot and make a straight line to match with the ending dot like this. Then for number 2, start from the beginning dot, make a head, then go down and match with this ending dot. Then number 3, start from the beginning dot, make a semicircle, then again make a semicircle. Then number 4, start from the beginning dot, make a slant line, match with this dot, then go straight and make a straight line to touch the bottom line like this. Then for number 5, go straight, come down and make a semicircle. And number 6, start from the beginning dot, then go round and make a circle. For number 7, start from the beginning dot, match with this dot, then come down in a slant line in a full block. For number 8, start from the beginning dot, make us like this, then go up and match with again with the beginning dot. For number 9, what I told you, make a curve, then go up and come down in a straight line to touch the bottom line. And now for number 10. Yes, it's so simple. Just write number 1 like this and 0 like this. This will make number 10. So what you have to do at your home? Do practice 0 to 10 independently daily.